Hi, stamping friends. It's Marilyn here with Stamping Creations by Marilyn from Alberta, Canada, wanting to share one of my first videos with you. I am going to try and do more and more of this as we go into the new holiday season with Stampin' Up, and hopefully you will join me for many of these videos. I am going to introduce you today to one of the new bundles that's available for only August. It is called Color Your Season. As you can see, many samples, many different seasons. And on the second page I have here shows you the stamp set. If you buy it with the framelits, there's a bundle saving price of 10%. And you can also purchase the new watercolor pencils. This is assortment 2. So in addition to the ones that are in the regular catalog, there are more here. So I would like to show you just a few of the pieces of that set and get you thinking about it, because as I said, it's only available for the month of August, so you don't want to delay. I do have a host code for this month, which I will share with you in a moment, and if you'd like to purchase through my site using that code, I would greatly appreciate it. And in the following weeks, I will be showing you some other samples that I've made with that set. So if you'll bear with me, I am going to turn the camera around and I'll show you a few of those things. And let's see if I can get this to work. We have success. I do believe we have a bit of shadows over here, but we'll try to maybe keep out of that if we can. Where am I? Oh, there's my head back out of the way there. So as you can see, here is my host code for the month, which will be available on my online store. So I would like to share the stamp set with you. It comes as two bundles, or two cases of stamps. There are 12 in the bundle, so therefore it does take 2 stamping cases to hold them. So lighting's not very good, but I'll try to get pictures of them so you can see them. The greetings are great. You're the friend everyone wishes they had. I just miss you. Congrats. You can see a wheat. Gorgeous flowers to color. That's in the first set, or the first box. And then under the next one, this is really not working for the lighting, is it? There, that's a little better. You can, there's the holly berries, there's a bell, thank you, wishing you the best, Merry Christmas, and some leaves to do with a fall color. So many seasons, as it's called, blended seasons. And then to go with that, we have stitched seasons framelit dies. And these I'm really excited about. As you can see, there are stitched on outside and inside. You have a bow that is really sweet when it's cut out. The 3 different sizes of these framelits. Some more filigree type things. A leaf, another flower. And this particular one, I don't know how I can show you that one, is for the bell. Took me a while to figure that out, but this bell right here, which can be used for weddings, anniversaries, anytime you want a bell. It's quite versatile. So over the next few weeks, I will be sharing cards with you. I did want to, and I'll show you the steps I took to make those cards. But for today, I would like to share with you a couple that I've used the Petals Promenade designer paper that we have right at the moment for a couple of wedding cards. We're attending a wedding here very shortly, and I wanted something special for this bride and groom. So these are what I've put together. So get your thinking cap on for what you could do with these gorgeous stamps and the framelits. And like I say, they're only available for the month of August, so it's time to start creating. Till next time, take care.